Hey, hello guys, and welcome to our series about Databricks. In the last couple of videos, we showed you the functions and new features that can be found in Databricks and can be used in your organizations. And today, let's focus on some showcases. For starters, we would like to tell you about the AI for Earth initiative by Microsoft. Last year, Clouds on Mars received a grant from Microsoft to prepare a solution to help the environment using some kind of AI. And our team from our company decided to prepare a solution that would check the air pollution levels in two major cities, in Warsaw and in Krakow, and also to predict the air pollution levels for the next days. And we thought that Databricks will be the best tool for that, because in Databricks you can combine the ETL, you can combine modeling, you can combine visualization, and you can connect to many sources. But let's talk about how we did it. So for starters, we needed to load the data, and well, first of all, obtaining the data wasn't that easy, but once we got it, we got a lot of XLS files, a lot of CSV files, several APIs to use, and also some of them were prepared as a SQL base data. So we needed to combine all of those and prepare one big table and data model. So Databricks were really good for that. We could connect to all of them without any problems and quite fast. So that was good for us. After we prepared all the data, we needed to pre-process the data and prepare it for modeling. So inputting missing values, introducing one format to all the data, so the same dates and stuff like that in all tables. Also, we needed to detect and delete outliers and join all the features together, and also prepare a feature for modeling, because as we know, feature engineering is one of the most important things in modeling, at least according to some, and me, by the way. So we needed to do that as well, and because Databricks has APIs for all languages, so you can use SQL, you can use R, you can use Python, and for example in Python it was very easy to do that and to prepare the data for the modeling, and also to prepare the models themselves. It was quite easy and quite fast to do that. So we prepared several models, so we run it in Databricks. After that, we used metrics from Python scripts to compare the models and check which one will be the best for our solution. Also, Databricks has both CPU and GPU clusters, so we could use machine learning models that use the CPU clusters, and also for deep learning, for TensorFlow in our case, we used the GPU clusters. Also, after we managed to do the modeling, we could visualize it, and that's in my opinion very important, because it's easier to see results on a chart than on a table, and Databricks has an inbuilt feature for visualization as well. If you need better or maybe wider visualization, I guess that you can send results to some storage and then connect storage to Power BI or something. But for most of the cases, Databricks is enough. And because we needed to run our jobs and run the code each day, to get new data and to recalibrate the models. Automation via Databricks jobs was very handful, and I guess that without it, we would spend a lot of time on processing the data itself, and with Databricks jobs, it was very, very easy. Also, when you work in a project, it's quite important to look for the code and to use the latest version of the code, and integration with Git was very handy. So if you are looking for a project like that and you want to prepare a project where you need to get the data, prepare some models, and then show it to the business, then Databricks is the tool for you. I hope that in this short video I explained why it's good for you. If not, then we'll continue with more videos. So stay tuned.